Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Ford Expedition with a dead key fob. First, locate the backup key slot, which is often found in the center console. Insert your key fob into this slot. Then, press the brake pedal firmly and push the engine start button. This method bypasses the need for a working fob battery, getting you back on the road quickly and efficiently. Finding the backup slot is key. For many Ford Expedition models, you'll find it within the center console, perhaps inside the armrest storage compartment. In other versions, it could be cleverly hidden within a cup holder. Take a moment to check these common areas. The exact location can vary slightly between different vehicle trims. Once you've located the backup slot, simply place your dead key fob directly inside it. This allows the vehicle to read the fob's internal chip, even without battery power. Next, make sure your foot is firmly on the brake pedal. Finally, press the engine start/stop button just once. Your Expedition should now start, allowing you to drive. Congratulations, your Expedition is running. Now, it's important to address the dead key fob battery. Drive to a service center or an auto parts store as soon as possible to get a replacement. Replacing the key fob battery promptly will restore its full functionality. It's also a great idea to keep a spare battery on hand for future emergencies.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.